if someone prays alone, does he or she need to call the adhan or iqama? Yes. There's a hadith of Rasulullah in Sahih Bukhari that two Sahaba came to learn the religion and they stayed there in Medina and they stayed, for a few days and they started learning the deen. And then when they completed their term of education, they were going back. So Rasulullah said to them, both of them, that on the way, when there's a time for the namaz, give adhan, and when there's a time for the jamaat, give iqama and pray your namaz. Alhamdulillah. I heard some say iqama should be said. What is the proof of this? So this is the proof which I told you, that Rasulullah did teach the Sahaba, and some Sahaba, when they completed their education, they went back to their own country, their place, and then on the way, Rasulullah guided them that this is how you should be doing while you are traveling. Alhamdulillah. So this is there in Sahih Bukhari.